Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this juicer today. It has really interesting bottom, so I thought maybe I can try to do something, and I will use this fluorescent paints again and my split cup just to see what will happen. I never poured over this juicer before, so I don't know if this will be any I don't know, nice effects out of this or not, but I said to myself, let's try. And I have 6 compartments, chambers, or how can I say, in this split cup, so I will just add some paint into those. So this was fluorescent yellow and fluorescent orange. My hand starts to shake already. And fluorescent magenta. I will put all the colors and brands into the description box. And fluorescent violet. And fluorescent blue, and last will be fluorescent green. It's kind of a rainbow or something with those colors, so we will see. And I want to have some bright colors for this. Okay, and I will pour some black in the middle. Let's spin it just a bit to spread it maybe a little bit. There will not be too much paint, and it will have a, you know, it will be able to spread hopefully when it will flow from that. But I don't know, because it will stay totally flat. So I don't know if it will even flow out. So maybe I should add a cup on the bottom. Just a second. I will just put this in. See, to lift it a little bit. And put this on. And now let's see what will happen. Will this even flow out? I will try to lift it a little bit. Yikes. Yikes. Don't like this at all. So I will just pour some paints again into this split cup. Oop. And do just a ring pour. So this juicer is not the best thing to pour with over, obviously. But again, if you don't try, you don't know. So we'll just try to do a ring pour. Yo! In the middle here. Or maybe should I grab a strainer? Let me grab a strainer. I will just spin this because it's too much paint in the middle. Okay. Let's put this down and let's do it again. And I will do just bigger rings this time. Maybe even my paint is too thick. Okay. And I will lift it. And I dripped. Okay, I managed to fix the center. Now I have to fix those drips a little bit. try to do that. And the torch, quick torch, and remove my bottles, and I will spin it. I'm pretty sure that I have enough paint, so I will just add more black because I want these corners to be black. And then I will give it another spin. Okay. Stop. Okay. I think that I will leave it because otherwise I will lose this part that I like here with this yellow and orange and a little green. So don't know if I like this yellow part here, but I have a lot of air bubbles, have to pop them up. And obviously it will bring some cells out from this, but not a lot. So I will say that I'm done. Because it's kind of vibrant, psychedelic kind of painting. I wish that I would go, I don't know. But I will leave it like it is and take you for a close-up. So you still see some lines underneath. So I'm quite happy with this one, and I like how this middle looks like, that it's you know, going up or something. So I will say that I'm happy with the strainer one. I realized that the juicer don't work, even though it was so beautiful to watch paint flow. But it didn't work nice. But this one, maybe I should even spin it once more to go over these edges too, so, because I don't know even if I like that black corners. Probably I will spin it once more. I don't know, because it's just not enough negative space that it would be nice for me. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!